Hi, I'm Karen. Right now, I am customizing some jewelry pieces for my customer, Miriram. She's a loving and wonderful lady doing frozen seafood business in Nigeria. And she ordered some crystal bracelets from me. She has a wrist size of 9 inches, so I got her two phantom quartz bracelets. I will combine two bracelets for her. And since she's a businesswoman, I recommended her to get green phantom quartz to increase her sales. And it's good for business and career. It's really beautiful. And right now I'm trying to use the rest of the green phantom quartz beads mixed with clear quartz to make a bracelet for her. I think it will look good. Okay, all bracelets are done. Red garnet, blue flash labradorite. It's really beautiful. Small beads but with strong flash and high clarity. And citrine from Brazil. Top color and high clarity. And strawberry quartz. Customized clear quartz with green phantom quartz. And green phantom quartz. Rainbow obsidian. And brown tiger side.